So we have a road, circular road, like this, okay? And we apply a force, ups, on both sides for equilibrium. Maybe the road is all on the left and pull to the right, but what is important is to have your equilibrium. And we also know the diameter of the road. Like, I mean, it's the exact diameter, right? It's not, it's like this, your diameter. Here we go. Okay, so the question is, what are the stress inside this road? And we will do this example twice, okay? One with the US unit and one with the international unit. What is the formula for the stress? Sigma equal P divided by the area. So the area, that will be, that's area, or like this one. This is the same area everywhere in that road, so that doesn't matter where we look at the road, but let's say we look in the middle there, the area, that will be the little circle, the little disc. So this is the same formula for, this one will be the international SI unit, and this one I will do with the US unit. Okay, so where are the units of the three different terms? For the force, we want the force in pounds, and we want the area in inches square, and that will give us sigma in psi, pound per square inch, pound per square inch, pound per square inch. Everything makes sense. If you have, instead of pound, if you have, I'm writing in blue, keep kilo pound, you will have kilo psi, kilo per square inch. Okay, so that's the second option. Now for the international unit, we want the load, the force in Newton as a force, the area in meter square. This is the by default, and that will give us Pascal. Let's say the Pascal, usually when we look at Newton per meter square, give us something very, very, very big. So instead of meter square, we can use millimeter square, and that will give us megapascal. So this is 1 megapascal equal 10 at the 6 Pascal. And usually megapascal makes more sense. Okay, so let's get some number there. Let's say for US units, we apply a force of 6,000 pounds. This is the 6 kilopounds, and we have a diameter of the road of 2 inches. Okay, there's two options for the area. You can use the diameter formula, you can use the radius formula. I do prefer the radius. I think it's way easier to use, but you do as you prefer. So me, I will find the radius. That will be 1 inches, the 2 inches divided by 2. And the area, that will be pi r square. So pi r square, that will be pi times 1 square. So the stress will be the pounds, so 6,000 divided by the area, pi times 1 square, and we will get a bit smaller so we can have everything. Please try to have one line, one equal sign by line. So we have sigma, that is equal to 1,910 psi, or 1.91 kilo psi. Both options are possible. Just make sure to look for which unit we ask in the quiz. So those two are possible. Let's do an example with international units. So let's say we have a P in Newton of 5,000 Newton, and we have a diameter of 5 centimeters. We will go with the megapascal, so we need to go with the millimeters. So convert first in millimeter. So the diameter equal 50 millimeter. So that gives us a radius of 25 millimeter, an area equal to pi times 25 square. So now we can find sigma, the stress, 5,000 divided by pi 25 square, and just I repeat, this is Newton, this is millimeter square, so our answer will be in megapascal. So we get sigma equal, find your calculator, type that in your calculator, 2.55 megapascal, and that will be your answer. So in this problem, remember the formula sigma equal P divided by A. Remember the unit that we use depending of international units versus US units. And because here our road is at the same area is constant, it doesn't matter where we look at, but it's important to look at the sections, the area of the sections of where we want to find the stress if the road is not always the same diameter. So hope you get that first rhyme right and check for your units.